Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? Welcome to a new brand video, my brother. In this video I will talk about the Dent coin trading to upcoming time, which in there is a chance so they will get a profit or not, my brother, then they will move upward or not. So let's see, my brother. But kindly holder, please, if you have any plan, my brothers, to invest more, so please research personally. And definitely, my friend, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, please understand now. My brother, this time you can see a change occur last 1 hour and last 2 days and last 7 days. All change occurring is on the screen and completely, and the profit now. So that's a very good, my friends. You can see here to they will move upward now. But because, my brother, absolutely, if a holder are starting selling, so they will fails down. But if a holders are hold it, and then definitely, my friends, the coin is moving upward now. So congratulations again now. This time, my brother, you can see here this time the file coin, sorry Dent coin, my brother, moves. The Dent coin moves is very slow, but definitely, my friend, you can see here after a very bad fail, my friend, you can see here they will starting moving upward now. Otherwise, my friend, I already, my friends, see this chart, my brother, but kindly you need to also much watch, my brother. In upcoming time, absolutely a lot of coins, my friend, will move upward now, so we also need to move upward now. Congratulations, my brother. In upcoming time, the very huge pumps is coming soon, but just in only you can see, my brother, this time the arrows is moving upward now, so that's mean to the good time is coming soon. Thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.